In today's video, I'll walk you through how to check historical data on CoinGecko. Whether you're auditing a new project or tracking long-term trends, CoinGecko is a powerhouse for historical price data. Today, I'm going to show you how to pull that data from quick chart views to downloadable spreadsheets, so you can perform your own deep dives. First, navigate to the specific coin page on CoinGecko.com, the interactive chart. By default, you'll see a price chart. Above this chart, you'll find a range of time selectors from 1D, 1 day, all the way to max. Customizing the view. Clicking these buttons updates the chart instantly. If you're investigating a specific market cycle, you can click and drag across the chart to zoom into a particular time frame. Key metric overlays. Notice the tabs above the chart? You can toggle between price, market cap, and trading volume. This is crucial for auditing whether a price move was backed by actual volume or if it was just a liquidity illusion. Look just above the chart area. You'll see a tab labeled Historical Data. Once you click that, you get a clean, table-based view of the coin's performance: the opening price, the high, the low, the closing price, and the total market cap for that day. Pro tip: if you're doing a heavy audit, look for the Export As button at the top of that table. This lets you download the data directly into a CSV or Excel file, so you can crunch the numbers offline in your own spreadsheets. Whether you're using the browser UI for a quick check or the export feature for a deep dive, this data is your best weapon against market misinformation. Use it, verify it, and stay ahead. And that's it. That is how you can check historical data of the specific coin.